Bharat 22 ETF is an exchange traded fund which is a part of Government of India disinvestment program. It's a second tranche promoted by ICICI Mutual Fund. The first tranche was launched somewhere in November 2017 and it was a good success. Primarily the investments in this fund would be in 22 stocks of listed CPSE and other corporate entities. So let's talk about the negatives first. The only negative, in fact the important negative which I feel right now is that since markets are not performing well, markets are volatile, so somebody who is looking at a short-term gain, it might be difficult for that investor. But yes, somebody who has a time horizon of 3+ years can look at it and will be able to get a decent return. The other negative is that since it's an ETF and it's a passively managed fund, there will be no involvement of any fund manager, so it will ape the index, which happens to be S&P Bharat 22 index. So which means that if market goes up, the returns will go up, market goes down, return will go down. So in other words, it's a mirror image of the index. The positives are it's an inexpensive fund which only has an expense ratio of 0.0095%. The other positive is that Government of India is offering a 2.5% discount, so retail investors can pump some money in this particular fund. The other positive is that the taxation will be of equity mutual funds or equity shares, which means that if the holding is less than a year, the short-term capital gain would be 15% and the long-term capital gain would be 10% if the holding is more than 1 year. So all in all, it's a good fund. Somebody who does not have that much of risk appetite and somebody who wants to invest for 3+ years can get a decent return, since the stocks are large cap. The blue chip stocks, they have already carved a niche for themselves. They have already given some stable returns in the past. Apart from that, as an advisor, I don't think I mean somebody who has a risk appetite, who has an aggressive appetite, should stay away from this.